Are you looking for Section 609 credit repair dispute letters? Not all Section 609 dispute letters are created equal. We have the most powerful, well-written, and effective 609 dispute letters available anywhere for using the Section 609 credit repair strategy to remove all the negative items from your credit reports. You get 12 609 dispute letters, 4 letters for each of the 3 major credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, plus 17 additional letters to send to creditors, collection agencies, check systems, and more. Everything that you will need to get your credit back on track again. Don't wait any longer to start getting the credit that you deserve.